Today we are digging up a water service. This current water service is leaking pretty badly, as you can see in the video. We have water shooting out of the ground and we're trying to locate the pipe for a proper repair. Now that we have located the pipe and we can clearly see the hole in the side of it, we will have to cut this apart and make a repair. Here you can see one of our technicians putting the piping back together with a underground rated repair coupling. Now as we make the final attachment and tighten this fitting up, it will be good and secure and last for years to come. After the repair has been made, we check the meter to be sure no further leaks are present.